much
The
today.
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northwest of Upper New York Harbor to near Raritan Bay, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Lower New York Harbor and the Verrazano Narrows Bridge around 3:45 p.m. Sandy Hook Bay and Upper New York Harbor around 3:50 p.m. Rockaway Inlet around 4 p.m. Jamaica Bay around 4:05 p.m. Entrance to New York Harbor, Island Park and Barnum Island around 4:30 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is a special weather statement.
Again? Oh my god. 2 EASs at once.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York,
Brooklyn.
Manhattan in southeastern New York,
Brooklyn.
until 4:15
Not
p.m.
Brooklyn.
At 3:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Teterboro to Edison, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hoboken and Lyndhurst around 3:35 p.m. Midtown Manhattan and Upper West Side around 3:40 p.m. Harlem and Long Island City around 3:45 p.m. Manhattan and RFK Bridge around 3:50 p.m. Huguenot and LaGuardia Airport around 3:55 p.m. Flushing and Throgs Neck Bridge around 4 p.m. Bayside around 4:05 p.m. Coney Island around 4:15 p.m. This includes the following New York State seaboard.
Sorry about my fucking annoying bro. Oh, sorry if I curse,
and
guys.
Beverly Road in Brooklyn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately.
Eli is sad, guys.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
And also, I'm sad about
Torrential
that.
rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive
This
your
is an
vehicle
EAS
through
fail,
flooded
kinda,
roadways.
because my brother's interrupting me. First EAS fail. Again? Oh my god, we have a triple header.
11 times.
Kinda.
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for East Central
The
Bergen
same
County in northeastern New
locations.
Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Paramus, Tarrytown, Dobbs Ferry, Nyack, Tappan, Greenwich, Pearl River, Brattle, Norwood, Hawthorne, Orangeburg, Upper Nyack, Dumont, New Milford, Westwood, Hillsdale, Rivervale, Cresskill, Gloucester, and Briarcliff Manor. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Bergen, New Jersey, and the following counties in New York: Rockland and Westchester.
Hopefully that is it.
Here is a special weather statement for the
That's
following
it.
areas
Thanks
in
for
New
watching.
Jersey.